Hi, thanks for your time today. I'd like to show you a demo of our Ethernet-based bootloader and diagnostic system. It's built to work with DoIP, which stands for Diagnostics over IP, as per ISO 13400, and UDS protocols, as per ISO 14229, both of which are widely used standards in the automotive industry. Let me start by explaining what a bootloader does. A bootloader is a small program that runs first when the ECU powers up. Its primary job is to initialize the hardware, check the validity of the main application, verify if a firmware update request has been received and is valid, and then hand over control to the application. It's a critical part of getting the ECU running reliably. Now, instead of using older diagnostic protocols like CAN, we're using DoIP, which runs over Ethernet. The benefit here is speed and flexibility. Ethernet allows faster communication, handles more data, and works really well for remote diagnostics and flashing, something that's becoming more important with connected vehicles. In this demo, we show how DoIP communicates between a tester and the ECU. The setup is simple. On one side, you have a diagnostic and flashing tool designed by Crevavi, and on the other side, a microcontroller running the software stack that processes UDS requests over DoIP. The tool has two main options: manual test for sending individual diagnostic requests, like an announcement request or starting a new diagnostic session. You can select the command, send it, and instantly see the response from the ECU. Auto flash for flashing firmware automatically. You simply enter the path to the firmware file or browse for it. For the demo, we flash a simple LED blink application. You'll see the tool sending the request, and once the flashing and verification are done, the status changes to completed. After restarting the ECU, the LED blink confirms that it worked. So, why go with DoIP over Ethernet? It's faster than traditional protocols like CAN. It supports large data transfers, and most importantly, it allows remote diagnostics and flashing, which is a big advantage for OEMs and service teams. This demo gives you a real world view of how our software can make diagnostics and flashing much easier and quicker. It's reliable, easy to use, and ready for modern vehicle platforms. Explore more at mobility.crevavi.com and crevavi.com. Thanks for your time.